What's up everybody, Gers Holland here, doing my February 2012 EDC update. Start from the top, I have my Costa WIngman sunglasses. Okay, next to that, got the Spyderco Delica 4 with a zip tie pocket mod. Heavily used EDC blade by me. I beat up on the thing every day. Probably one of the best EDC blades you can get. Got the Ipod Touch, I got a stainless steel butane lighter. Streamlight ProTac 1L flashlight, which I love, fits perfect in the pocket. And last I got the Luminox Field Day/Date watch. It is model 1833, which is probably one of my favorite watches I own. A little bit pricey, but well worth it. Looks great, works great. And that's my update. Thanks guys.